First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To keep character consistency in Veo AI, start by creating a clear reference for your main character. Define important details such as the character's appearance, hairstyle, clothing, facial features, age range, body type, and overall visual style. Use the same core character description whenever the character appears in a new scene. If your current Veo AI workflow supports reference images, use the same high-quality reference image to help maintain the character's identity. When writing prompts, avoid changing important character details accidentally. For example, if your character wears a black jacket and white shirt in the first scene, keep those clothing details consistent in later scenes unless you intentionally want to change them. Next, describe the character's actions and environment separately from the character's identity. This allows you to change the location or activity without unnecessarily changing the character. For example, you can keep